My name is Walker Hicks, and I'm an electrical engineering major. So going into college, I was wondering what the easiest path to UTC or UTK, one of these universities, were. And I saw Cleveland State's ads, and I saw what they do, and I thought this was a good bridge between UTK and UTC and the full-time graduate schools. With Cleveland State, every professor is very engaged with me. I've met with professors numerous times for various reasons. If I'm not getting a subject, or if I'm not getting a concept, or if I just need help in the homework or lab, they are willing to meet me as soon as they can, no questions asked, and stay as long as they need to make sure I get the concepts. But there is a lot of events that go on around Cleveland State that sometimes I even miss. Even checking my emails every day. You could do things like joining the Spanish club, or joining the Baptist Student Ministry, or joining the Student Senate. Just doing all those types of things as well. That's one of the best parts of Cleveland State for me. I chose electrical engineering because of how fascinated I was with the field of electrical engineering. Just the fact that we even have the mass power distribution that we have, the load that we see from stuff like Cleveland State and other schools, and the fact that we can balance all that stuff with a national grid, or even just a statewide grid, is absolutely unreal, and it's something that I personally am fascinated about. The fact that all this stuff happens without us even seeing it physically. My career goal after my bachelor's degree is to find a job somewhere in the Tennessee Valley area. I want to be able to be an electrical engineer in power distribution, which is basically just any kind of utility company or any kind of power or municipal government company that manages electricity. Cleveland State is helping me because they are equipping me for getting ready for undergraduate schools, my career in the future, the knowledge that I need, and it's truly helping me define my tomorrow.